Breakfast, breakfast, Starbucks.
Hey.
Our favorite place.
Our first date, that's why.
Where are we going today?
Today we're going to Rodriguez, Rizal Montalban. We're gonna have some fun and we're gonna go ayo
Ay.
to Manay Shai. When you're ready, tell one who really loves you. What just happened?
Kaka-start pala ng araw namin pero takbo-takbo na kami papuntang Narita Airport kasi hindi namin alam yung place. Ang dami namin napagtatanungan. But good thing siya is really so energetic. Thanks to him, talagang Boy Scout. He did everything for this travel. So yeah, we're heading now to Narita Airport.
Look at this service. Do I have to tip this guy or what? Do I have to give him a tip? My God. See you later, Manay. Ayo, same thing.
Yeah. Ayo.
Ayo! Hey! Kursaba family! Wake up! Wake up!
Hey, what are you doing in my kitchen?
I am making myself at home. I am in your kitchen and I'm enjoying every moment. I am in Rodriguez Montalban in Jean's house. And I'm making myself at home, which is crazy. I'm gonna grab these red peppers that I bought. You know what? Everybody knows me now. Everyone's smiling. I'm smiling the most. I'm so happy to be here.
I think it's enough.
Oh yeah, of course.
So, what are you making?
So I'm
A
just
hot
making a
dog.
dressing. This with the ketchup together is good. It'll be spicy.
Wow.
It'll be spicy, but it's the way it's supposed to work. There you go. If you could dispose of this.
Wow, finally guys, he's here.
Hello.
Yes, and he's cooking.
I'm not making my curry, but this is good enough. It's
Siya ang
lunch.
bahala sa aking kitchen ngayon. Wow.
Masarap.
Yeah.
Masarap, masarap.
Wow.
Hello everybody, these are the hot dogs. I was planning to have a hot dog party to sell 300. Sell meaning give it out free to the neighborhood. Look how beautiful this is looking. 297 more to go. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible because we are in Rodriguez. We are in the Philippines. And when you are in the Philippines, doesn't matter what province, doesn't matter who you're with, you're gonna get the same hospitality, which is beautiful. And the hospitality has a lot of love, a lot of care. You know what? I've been around. You don't need money. You need money to eat, survive. But apart from that, they are loving people, very caring, and I am happy to be here. And importantly, I am in Jean's house. Well, that's special because I call from my house in Toronto, lonely, and I see Jean. Hi Jean, how are you? But you know what? It's all a journey that we have that's taking place right now. It's only a journey. When it becomes permanent, it'll still be a journey. Because when you think of it, Jean and I just got back from Japan.
Yeah.
Jean and I also went to General Santos. Jean and I are also going to Coron with her family. They deserve it. And a lot of people think when I say they deserve it means you own it, you did something. No, You deserve because that's God's will, that's God's way. And when you meet somebody, it's called perks. And I'm happy that Jean accepted me. She knows who I'm all about. No bells, no whistles, no surprises. I am who I am. But honestly, I'm having fun. I don't know about you, but I'm having fun.
What's careful?
2 more hot dogs to go. 2 more hot dogs to go and we're good.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah, 2 more to go. I'll eat 5. I met some good people in the neighborhood. They were happy to sell me things. They called me foreigner. Foreigner. And I said, please, no foreigner tax. As soon as they see foreigner, money! But I got a good deal. So I bought Jean some rice. Apparently it's not the good one.
It's malagkit.
Sorry. You said 60. I asked for 60. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. This is a pleasure to serve. With onion and ketchup, we're ready to go eat. Yay!
Hi, guys, I have a visitor. Who's this guy? Why he's here in my house?
I don't know.
Can't believe you're here. Wala yung isa. Naghuhugas lang ako doon sa kusina. Inayos ko lang yung kusina after namin mag-lunch. Nawala na naman siya. Lagi kasi siyang umaalis, hindi siya mapakali dito sa bahay. Kahit na ang init-init sa labas, tanghaling tapat umaalis kasi hindi siya mapakali dito sa bahay. So anyways, pagod. As you can see, parang pagod talaga si John kasi nga hindi pa kami nakakapag-rest simula kahapon kasi kahapon lang kami dumating kami nung isang araw from Japan, tapos dumiretso kami sa sa hotel sa Makati sa City Grand, tapos kinaumagahan dumiretso na kaagad kami dito kasi nga gusto niya nang makita nga yung mga bata kasi since dumating kasi si Jan, hindi kami dumiretso dito sa bahay. Yung pala guys, hindi ko pa naikukwento. Hindi kami dumiretso dito sa bahay. So, sinundo ko si Jan from the airport. Tapos dumiretso kami sa hotel sa Belmont ba yun? Parang Belmont yung hotel namin. Malapit lang sa airport, Terminal 3. So, from there, doon naman kami nang galing. Tapos lumipad na kami sa Jensan to meet my family. So, yun, kaya hindi niya pa, ngayon niya pa lang talaga na meet ulit yung mga anak ko. Ngayon pa lang ulit siya nakapunta dito sa bahay kasi inuna nga namin yung Jensan. And then from Jensan, Japan. So, ayun na nga, from Jensan dito na kami. Pero, naawa ako sa kanya kasi nga sobrang init. Siguro babalik na rin din kami sa hotel. Baka siguro matutulog lang kami dito ng ilang gabi or tonight lang. Tapos babalik na kami doon sa hotel na lang kasi naawa ako sa kanya, pinagpapawisan. Hindi siya mapakali. Ngayon nga kasi sobrang init talaga dito sa bahay. So ayun, labas siya. Baka nagpunta siya ng Primark ulit. Doon yung niya. Kaya sabi niya, hayaan ko lang daw siya, mag-ikot-ikot daw siya. So, ayun, hinayaan ko lang kasi nga, naghuhugas ako doon, nasa kusina ako. Nawala na naman siya. Ganun naman yung lagi siyang nawawala. Tapos pag bumabalik, lagi may bit-bit. So, ayun, tinanggal ko yung, sobrang init nga guys, tinanggal ko yung, kwintas ko, yung hikaw ko. Tapos retouch, nagpulbo ng konti, ganyan. Sobrang init, ang lagkit. Kaya naawa talaga ako sa kanya. Kaya hinayaan ko lang siyang maglakad-lakad kahit na tanghaling tapat, hinayaan ko lang siya para magpunta siya ng kung saan niya gusto. Saya na siya dito guys. Gusto niya talagang yung sarili niya dito sa amin para makabisado niya daw. Ayaw niya namang magpasama kahit gusto ko siyang samahan or pasamahan ko siya sa mga bata, ayaw niya magpasama. Gusto niya maglakad-lakad mag-isa. Mas marami na nga siyang kakilala dito kaysa sa akin kasi ako dito, andito lang talaga ako sa bahay. Siya pag nandito yun ako, ang dami niyang nakakausap, ang dami niyang kakilala na. Kaya sabi niya, tatakbo daw siya ditong mayor. Mananalo daw siya kasi marami na daw siyang kaibigan. So anyway, ayan lang. Sulitin mo na namin yung time namin with the kids. And by the way guys, tomorrow pupunta kami ng Coron. Kasama namin yung kids. So talagang ano yun, nakaplano na. So abangan nyo yun guys. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye!